Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids, and here I have got a Fujitsu ScanSnap S1300i. This is one of these document scanners that allow you to sort of load up multiple documents and easily scan them and convert them to different formats on your Mac or Windows PC. Now this one here, very kindly sent to me by BMI Solutions. You can check out the link to their website underneath this video. So I want to get this unboxed for you, show you what you get inside the box. So let's have a look inside. Now this is one of these sort of compact packages as well. So what you're going to find in here is something that is USB powered rather than needing an external power supply. And what that allows you to do is actually use this whilst you're out and about. So let's have a look. The first thing we've got here is a little crib sheet about how to get up and running nice and quickly. So good that they include that. Then we have got a main pack of documents. Now this is a Twain compliant device, so what that means is you can use it with Twain compliant applications, things like Photoshop, etc. But it does also come with its own software, and this particular DVD has got ScanSnap Manager, Organizer, let's just have a very quick look, CardMinder, Abby Fine Reader, Evernote for Windows, SharePoint, and for the Mac it's got ScanSnap Manager, Fine Reader. I'm going to have to remove it from the packaging just to tell you the other bits and pieces on here. It's also got CardIris 4 for ScanSnap and Evernote for Mac 2.2. So absolutely loads of software included on the disc. Then we've got a getting started manual and also safety precautions and warranty information. Let me show you the getting started manual just to give you an idea. It is fully illustrated and it's going to get you up and running nice and quickly. So brilliant that they include a printed manual. In this front portion of the box we have got a power cable. Now I'm in the UK, so I get a 3-pin UK power cable, figure 8 adapter on this end that's going to go into the scanner, and as I say you can use this USB powered as well, so you don't have to use this. So let's pop that out of the way, and then we've also got a European power cable. We've got a USB to power cable, so this is for using it when you're out and about. And then we have got here just a standard USB cable, so if you're using it with that power supply you'd use that to connect it to your computer. And then in the main compartment we have got the scanner itself. Let's get rid of all of these bits of packaging. So this is the scanner itself. Now there is one more power supply that I've just grabbed out with this. This is the little power brick just here. Let's show you this one. So this one you would use with that actual power cable, not the USB one. This end goes into the scanner, and then this end plugs into that figure 8 adapter. So you can use it with either the UK or the European adapter. Now this is a multi-voltage 100 volt to 240 volt power adapter. So if you were going to use this in perhaps America, all you'd have to do is find the appropriate adapter cable. If you were buying it in that country, it should come supplied in the box. And then we've got the little unit itself, which I'm going to show you now. And these are really neat. I've actually used these before. And what they allow you to do is scan sort of A4 documents or business cards and different size documents, and you simply sort of open this up. You're going to adjust the width of the scanner portion in here to your document, and then you can scan, as I say, A5, B5, A4 letter size papers, load them up in the scanner here, and then you just simply use the software. It pulls the documents through and scans it into the supplied software or your Twain compliant software as well. So let's have a physical look around the ScanSnap S1300i. Now on the back, obviously where all the connections live, we've got a Kensington lock hole here, so you can actually tether it to a desk if you need to. We've got the power port here. You can use that with the power supply plugged into your mains power supply, or with that USB adapter cable and power it from a USB port. And then we've got the USB data connection cable to connect it to your Mac or Windows PC. And then round on the top here, we've got a little sort of button come light. You can hit this to initiate a scan. And then if we open it up, we just have a look at the open size. Very compact even when it's open. very light as well, and then it sort of folds down into this very neat compact unit. Now it will scan A4 double-sided documents, and it'll do 12 double-sided pages per minute. That is really rather impressive. And you can scan to things like a PDF document, or you can scan to a JPEG file, etc. But you can do so much more as well. You can scan to email, you can scan to Word, you can scan direct to Excel, Microsoft SharePoint. There's even iPhone, iPad and Android devices supported, so you can scan direct to those as well. And you can even scan direct to something like Dropbox or Evernote. So this really does do it all. Now, during my tests of this particular product, I had a few things where documents went skewed. It didn't happen too often, and that mainly happened when I was sort of loading up different thickness documents into the scanner. Mainly the thinner papers tend to skew a little bit, but standard sort of 70 gram upwards, absolutely fine through this. And as I say, 12 double-sided pages per minute, which is a really good speed for such a compact little unit. Now, the idea behind one of these sort of scanners is, instead of having loads and loads of paperwork everywhere in your office, and this is really ideal for home office use, you can scan it all to a PDF file, and then those are searchable PDFs. You can store the originals if you really want to in an archive somewhere, but for me, I would scan them, get rid of the paperwork, have it all on the computer, unless you're required to keep the originals, of course. But this also adds up the portability factor. So the portability factor of this is, if you're out and about on the road and you need to scan documents in whilst you're out at work, then you can do this too, because it can be used USB powered. So really flexible device. This is the ScanSnap S1300i. It's available from all good resellers, including BMI Solutions, which I should give a real big shout out and a big thank you for sending me this out. It's going to cost you around about £240 in the UK, and that equates to about $300 if you're in the US. So thanks very much for watching. Please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.